Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you all kids? And how was your first week of video classes? I hope you enjoyed and you were happy to see your teachers in front of you. Okay, I am back again with our same topic. Here we are going to look into the numbers 501 to 1000. In our previous class we had seen how we write the numbers, the place values and expanded form and the number names. Now today we are going to see how we compare these 3-digit numbers. Okay. Now first, before going for comparison, we will see the numbers that come before. Okay. The first column, if you see here, you can see I have written few numbers, the few 3-digit numbers over here, and before them I have kept the blanks. Now we are going to write the numbers that come just before the given numbers. The first column we are going to write the numbers that come before. Okay. Now first number that we have is 545. How do we read this number? 545. So which is the number that will come just before 545? See, we have 45. So what will be the number before 45? 44. So the number before will be 544. Same way, the second number. What do we have here? 671. Now 71. What is the number that comes just before 71? It is 70. So 671. The before number will be 670. Okay. The next number that we have is 810. Now you can tell me which is the number that comes before 810? Before 10 is 9. So it will be 809. This is how we write the numbers that come before. Now let's go to our next column. Here you can see I have already written few numbers to the left side, and right side I have kept the blanks. So that means we are going to write the numbers that come after the given numbers. Okay. So this column we are going to write the numbers that come after. So the first number that we have is 748. 48. Can you see that? What is the number after 48? It is 49. So 749 will be our next number. 749. Okay, the number that comes after. Now same way over here. 699. What will be the number after 699? 99 and then the next 100, isn't it? So 699, the next number will be, the number after will be 700. Okay. Then 863. Now which is the next number? Can you guess? That will come after 863. It is 864. Okay. So I hope you have understood before and after numbers. Now let's go to our third column. Now here you can see I have some numbers that I have written on the right side and some on the left side. But between these two numbers there are blanks. Okay. So now we have to fill the numbers here in between the given two numbers. So these numbers we call numbers between. Okay. So we are going to write the numbers that come between the two numbers. 538, then there is a blank, and then I have 540. So what will come between these two numbers? 38 and 40. What will come? 39. So 539. Next 675, and here I have 677. 75 and 77. So in between it will be 676. Same way the last one, 932 and 934. So in between these two we will have 933. So before, after and between, I hope it is clear to you all. Children, I am sure you know what these symbols are. Do you know? You have already learnt in your previous class, isn't it? Do you remember the crocodile's mouth? Your teacher must have told you, right? That the crocodile mouth opens to eat the greater number. So here we have two symbols which resemble which look like the crocodile's mouth. Okay? And the open mouth will face towards the greater number. Now here this symbol tells us that the number is less than. And this symbol tells us the number is greater than, and this is equal to. Now let's see how we use it. 566 and 789. Which number is greater? 500 or 700? Which is greater? 700 is more in value. It is greater. So crocodile's mouth will open towards the greater number. So the symbol that we use is this. We read it as 566 is less than 789. This is how we read this. Okay, the next one we have 849 and here we have 840. 800 is same. But what about the next? 49 and 40. So which number will be greater? 49. So 849 is greater than 840. So which symbol we have to use? The open mouth should be towards the greater number, right? So we will use this symbol. 849 is greater than 840. Now here in the last one you can see both the numbers are same. We cannot say that one number is greater and the other number is small. We cannot say that. So here we don't use these symbols. We will use the third symbol, that is equal to. This is how we compare the numbers. Okay, we have compared and we have used the signs to show which number is greater, which number is smaller, or the numbers are equal. Now next we have ascending order. What do we mean by ascending order? Have you heard this word, ascending? Ascending means from small to big. Okay, from small to big. Now here in ascending order we are going to arrange the numbers from small to big. That means first we are going to write the smaller number, then the next greater number, the next greater number, and the last greater number. Since I have 4 numbers written over here, I will arrange these numbers from smaller number to greater number. That is called ascending order. Okay. So which is the smallest number? Let's try to find out. First I have 689. Then I have 721. And then I have 544. And the last number that we have is 620. So which number do you think is the smallest over here? We have 600, 700, 500 and 600. First we will look at the hundreds place. Okay. So here we see that 500 is the smallest. So that number I will write first. 544. Okay. So this number we have already written. Next I have 3 more numbers with me. 600, 700, again I have 600. Now we know that 600 is smaller than 700. But I have 2 numbers with 600, 600, right? So we have to compare those 2 numbers now. So 689 and 621. Now 89 and 21, which will be smaller? Of course, 21 is small. So the next number that we write will be 621. Okay. Now third number, we have this number also we have written. So we are left with 2 more numbers now. That is 689 and 721. We can easily see that 600 is small and 700 is big. So the next number will be 689 and now we are left with the last number, that is 721. See, now we have arranged the numbers in ascending order, small to big. Okay, this is called ascending order. Please remember the word ascending order. Okay. The next we have descending order. Descending means opposite of ascending. Ascending means small to big. Descending will be big to small. Opposite of what we did here. Okay. Here we will start writing the number from greater value. That is the biggest number we will write first. Then next small, small, small. Okay. So we start from the biggest number to the smallest number. Let's try to find out which is the greatest number over here. We have 700, then we have 900, 800 and 600. So, which one will be the greatest? 7, 9, 8 or 6? It is 9, right? So, this number. First number that we will write, the greatest number is 900. Then, which is the next number? 3 more we have. 721, 845, 666. Right? Sorry, for 847, 666. So, there are 3 more numbers. 700, 800, 600. So, which one we will take? 847. Okay. Now, 2 numbers we have already got. 2 more numbers are left. That is 721, 666. So, which is the greater one now? 700 or 600? It will be 721 and the last number will be 666. So, here you can see we have started from the greatest number and slowly we have written the smallest number at the end. This arrangement is called descending order. I hope you have all understood. You had learnt all this in your previous classes also and you have got it back again. So, once again we will just recall all that we have discussed in this class. We started with number before, the numbers that come just before the given numbers. Then we saw numbers after, that come just after the given numbers. And then we saw the numbers between, the 2 numbers were given and the middle number was missing. So, between numbers, between the 2 numbers. Then we came to comparing of numbers and there are 3 signs or symbols that we use: greater than, less than and equal to. The first sign is less than, the second sign is greater than and this is equal to. And we saw how the mouth opens towards the bigger number. The crocodile's mouth opens to eat the greater number. Always remember that. Then we came to ascending order. Ascending means small to big. Here we arrange the number. These numbers were not in order. Okay. So, we arrange them in such a way that smallest number we wrote first and the greatest number at the end. So, we have arranged from small to big. Then last we had descending order, which was opposite of ascending. Means here we arranged the greatest number first and slowly we went on writing the smallest number at the end. So, arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest is called descending order. I hope you have got all that we learnt in this class.